Another progress video on my song, Can't Help Falling in Love. At least I think it's progress. It's been feeling a whole lot better and smoother today. So figure I would keep sharing it. We only got 1 week left for the January song. And we've got to pick another song. I think I'm going to put that up for a vote. So I'll be looking for something, suggesting songs and voting for them. But here we go. Getting smoother. I think I can get there in another week of practice. I can get it, a whole lot better. I ain't gonna get it perfect, but who knows? Maybe I can. Well, I was goofing off there and it ended up sounding good, at least to me. But it just tickles me. When it just even halfway sounds good, it just tickles me to death. Matter of fact, if I wasn't on video, most of the time it gets me a tearing up. But I think I get so nervous when I start making a video that goes away. So that's a good thing. I ain't crying on video. But I appreciate y'all watching. Thank you very much.